Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy mobile airtime on crypto.com. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, go ahead, open up your particular app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now afterwards, you're going to tap on this option of home, and over here you're going to find this kind of interface, and then you're going to find this options on top, which includes airtime as well. Simply go ahead, tap on this option of airtime, and from right over here you're going to find two options, which is simply top up your own phone or top up for friend. Now go ahead, choose the one that you prefer. Let's go for the top up your phone now. Now you're going to choose how much you would like to do so. Go ahead, choose the one that you prefer and tap on pay in the bottom. Then once you're done choosing that, now you're gonna go ahead, choose your wallet, which one you want, which can include your crypto wallet, which one you would like to use it for. Once you have chosen that, tap on continue to review. Once you're done reviewing it, tap on this confirm bot button at the bottom, and there you go. You can see you have purchased that particular amount and to your phone mobile airtime, and now you will receive a message right away on your phone number. You will also receive details regarding your transaction on your email as well, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.